I've had a busy couple of weeks very recently, and I don't know what exactly I've been doing. It seems a bit of a blur, to be honest, the last few weeks. But I haven't done very much in the way of music. My latest experiments in the laboratory is at very early stages. You'd almost say preliminary stages. I have some news though. I've got a staying guest. Say hello to Tigger. Will the real Tigger please stand up? Off he goes. He gets a little bit. He'll probably run off now when I'm playing. He's not used to it yet. He's only been here a couple of days. A day. So, as I said, I've been busy, so I'm running out of old chestnuts. But this is an old chestnut that I haven't exposed you to yet. So, here is Your Love in Vain? Not to be confused with Love in Vain by the Stones. It's Is Your Love in Vain by Bob Dylan. And just let me organise a couple of things. Yeah. Extending goodwill. Do you need me half as bad as you say, or are you just feeling guilt? I've been hurt before and I know the score, so you won't hear me complain. Will I be able to count on you, or is your love that you cannot see that I must have solitude? Why admit the darkness? Why do you intrude? Do you know my world? Do you know my mind? All the shots explained. Will you let me be myself, or is your love in vain? I've been in the mountains and I've been in the rain. I've been here, there and everywhere. I have dined with kings, I've been offered wings, but I've never been too impressed. Alright, I'll take a chance. I'll fall in love with you. If I'm a fool, you can have a night, you can have a morning too. Can you cook and sew, make flowers grow? Do you understand my claim? Are you willing to risk it all, or is your love in vain? I've got a feeling that all the old chestnuts I've got left are probably all Bob Dylan songs. Or possibly, I probably haven't done all the Leonard Cohen, I know. Katanga, guys!